Oh my gosh, guys. This is exactly why we do this. We have been here since 7:30 this morning. And you know what? We didn't even know we were going to get basic today. We also didn't know we were going to get a pallet that was what? How tall was that pallet?
8 foot tall.
Guess what? It's after what time?
Midnight.
I don't even know what time it is because my watch doesn't even work anymore because we've been here so long. What time is it?
It's almost midnight.
Okay. At the very bottom of our 8-foot pallet that we unloaded this afternoon in 90-plus-degree heat, we have found this right here. We are going to find out what this is. This isn't normally what we order. This doesn't normally happen. We're kind of excited right now. We don't know what's going to happen, so we're going to open this case for you. This is an in case, but it's not the normal international code. This is a different code. This is possibly a USA code. It's possibly a Walmart case. It was on our pallet. Our counts were correct on the pallet, but we're going to get into it. Let's see what this is. This is an in case, but it is not international. Take a little peek here. There's a good look at the inside. As usual, we're going to go 3 by 3. Just see what we got cracking. The first 3 cars are the Tread Shredder, the Chevy Nova, and the Electro Silhouette. Is that good enough detail on them? Uh-oh. I can see right away. I see something that wasn't in our other cases. We got the Mazda RX-7, which was... We got the Buns of Steel, which was... Holy shnikes. We've got a Zamacs 2019 Ford F100. Oh my goodness. Let's see what else we got. Okay. 3 more cars that were in our case. We got the Acura Integra, the Dark Knight Batmobile, the Chrysler Pacifica. Three more cars that were in our regular case. The custom Ford Maverick, the Tesla Model X, and the Lamborghini Aventador J. Oh my gosh. We got a Zamacs McLaren. I haven't seen this yet. I didn't even know this was supposed to be out. We got the regular Honda. We got the regular Robo Race. Then we got a Zamacs McLaren. Whew, that is bad to the bone right there, people. We're bringing you breaking news here. The next 3 cars were all in the case. We got the Ford Mustang Coupe, the Hologram, and the Aston Martin DB5 or DBS. The next 3 cars were also in that case. The Carbide, the Buick Riviera, the Crescendo. Uh-oh. Looks like we got another one. We'll start with the bottom. The Chevy Chevelle SS, which has been out before. We got the Bugatti, which has also been in other cases. And then we got a Zamacs 67 Chevelle SS 396. Haven't seen this one yet either. This is breaking news out of this case. Three more cars in the case. We're all in the previous in case that we opened. We've got the Volkswagen SP2, the Slide Kick, and the Nissan Skyline. We've got another Ford Mustang Coupe, 96 Porsche, and the Beetle. Here we go. Here's another one. It's the 56 Ford F100 Zamac again, with the rapid responder and the McLaren Senna. Okay. Here's the last three cars in the top. It's the Audi RS5 Coupe, the Runway Rescue, and the Carbide. Okay, let's take a peek inside as we take away the layer. Pretty good look at that thing. Okay, gonna finish it off here. Hopefully we got more goodies. Here we go. We've got another McLaren Zamac. We've got the Chevy Chevelle again, and the Croc Rod. Three more from the bottom row. We've got the Slide Kick. We've got the brand new Bugatti and the Surf and Turf. Bugatti on the left. Three more from the bottom. Dodge Charger RT, the Evil Weevil, and the Fairlady 2000. Three more again. The Lambo, the Baja Hauler, and the Skyboat. Again, we have the Beetle, Turbone Charger, and the Audi RS5 Coupe. Here we go again. We've got one more of the Zamac 56 Ford F100. We got the Hovering Out and the Corvette Grand Sport. We've got the Solar Reflex, the Custom 56 Ford Truck, and the Bot Wheels. Almost done with the case here, guys. We've got another Runway Rescue. We've got another Zamac 67 Chevelle SS396 and a Mach Speeder. Three more. We've got one more Bugatti. We've got another Ford Ranchero and a hologram. Okay. The last 9 in the case. We've got the Chrysler Pacifica, Flash Drive, and the Turbone Charged. Here we go. We've got the El Camino, the Electro Silhouette, and the Audi RS6 Avant. The very last 3. We've got the Twin Mill, which we've had. And then we've got the Zamac Chevelle and the Zamac McLaren again. Here's a nice little top down of the super special cars in this case. There's 12 of them to be exact. Thank you again. I think you got to hit the bell on this one because this is breaking news brought to you by your favorites at Wheel Collectors. Thank you, everybody, for your love and support. We appreciate you.